In this video, you will see how to take GOSI certificate, also known as Certificate of Employment. History and wages, go to gosi.gov.sa. Click Individual Login and click Platform of Service, provided to users of social insurance. Enter your ECOMA number and continue the verification process through NAFATHAP. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Once you're logged in, change language to English by clicking here. Please like this video. Now click Download Certificate. Here under Certificate of Employment History and Wages, click Download and choose the language of certificate. If you want it in Arabic, choose Arabic. If you want it in English, choose English. Your certificate will be downloaded in a few seconds. Here is the GOSI certificate. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.